All right. Hold that thought for a moment, folks. You're like, what the heck is going on? Here we go. Oh, beautiful. We're looking at 8 to 12 inches of snow. What? Should we get the babies out and see how they react? Oh, thank you. Thank you for jumping on me. Oh, yeah, you can hear them. They're ready. What are they doing? What are they doing? They're like, yes, we're free. What's going on? Oh my God, he said. He just jumped right out into it. I can't believe that. There we go. Everybody's in the snow. I'm actually surprised they're handling it that well so fast. I mean, they've seen snow before, but... What's going on, puppies? What's going on? What's happening? What's happening? They're like, I am not sure about all this. What happened? What's going on? Oh my goodness. This is what I got at my feet. What are you guys doing? They're like, we're not sure. Alright, I want to go. So I was proactive. And last night, when I saw that the forecast was 8 to 12 inches of snow and possibly ice later, I said, you know what? Let me go ahead and just put my truck up in that upper meadow ahead of time. I'm going to take a look and see where we're at in here. I'm going to have to run this generator. I already know that. And I think I'm going to have to run it soon. But, yeah, so we got a little bit of snow here so far. As you can see, I would say 3 to 4 inches already. And then they're calling a possibility of ice this afternoon, which would not be nice. So we'll see what happens with that. But they're pretty funny. She just buried his head right in the snow. She goes, yeah, watch this. Let me stick your face right in the snow. She's a bully. Alright, let's see where we're at here. Hasn't showed me yet. Okay. But, yeah, so they're saying we're going to have quite a bit of snow. Oh my God, now you're bringing all the snow in here? You're bringing all the snow in here? What are you doing? Get out of here. Get out of here. Come on. Out. Come on, out of here. Come on, baby. He's like, what's going on? What are we doing? Go on. Good boy. Oh, okay. All right. So we are actually at 50%. I knew that we had to be down. So I'm obviously going to be running this generator. So I'm actually going to show you how I do this. I don't know if you guys have seen this before or not. I want to check, first of all, let's see where we're at. I knew I should have topped off the gas in here last night. Yeah, I got to put gas in this thing first. And I'm going to need 2 hands for all that. Actually, let me do it this way. So I'm just going to show you what my routine. Yeah, you can see that. Okay. So first thing I do is underneath there I disconnect from the camper to the batteries. Then fire up the generator. And then I'm going to come in here, and what I do to get the battery connected, I'm going to show you this. Hopefully you'll be able to see this. So on here there's a telephone pole. We have to have that connected, so I have to turn this off real quick and then turn it back on. And what you'll see happen, alright, what you just saw, I don't know if you saw that or not, hopefully you did. That telephone thing right here connects into the battery, which ends up charging the batteries from the generator now. But you have to, it's just a process that I have to do. And oh yeah, okay, so right now it's on standby at 49%. So we're gonna wait a minute and it'll be saying charging here shortly. Yep, there we go. So now it says 49% in charging. So with it being down to that level of 49%, I'll probably run the generator for at least a couple hours, at least 2, to get things topped back off again. Not a big deal. I mean, I'm not going anywhere anyway. You know, with the weather being what it's going to be, there's no reason to be out there driving in it. You don't drive in it. So we're just going to hunker down, charge the batteries, top them off, and then we'll be good. Generally, yesterday, okay, so right now, I think it's about 9:30 in the morning, and I didn't run the generator at all yesterday. The sun had topped the batteries off to 100%, and so, you know, there was no issue with that. But, so that's part of the process of what we do. And I don't know where she just ran off with these puppies. Oh, they're over there. I don't know, she likes to take them over in front of there for whatever reason. So anyway, I have to feed the puppies, give them some fresh water. So I'm going to be doing all that. But yeah, we're getting a little snow. You can see on the panels themselves, I don't know, maybe 3, maybe 4 inches so far. But so much for all the snow being gone, right? Hey, it happens. What are you going to do? But we're going to deal with the storm. And what we're going to do, like I said, we're going to have a low-key kind of day. Take care of these puppies, and I'm going to let them stay out here and play for a little while. And then we're going to go from there. So anyway, guys, I am going to jump off here for now. I hope you're doing well. If you are in this mess with this out here, if you don't have to be out there, it's not worth your life. No job is worth your life. So hang tight, ride it out, do what you got to do. All right. I will see you all later. I hope you all have a great day. Prepper Nurse 1 out for now.